Hey guys, so I just cut my grass this morning. So I just did the lawn cutting video, used the Craftsman mower. So I figured that I think I'll just do a startup on all four of the lawnmowers here. They'll pretty much will be cold starts. I'll just start with the oldest to the newest. Of course, right here, most of all the lawnmowers I have are Lawnboys. There's the oldest one right there, Lawnboy 8461 commercial, Lawnboy 10533, the Craftsman mower, and the Lawnboy 10606. So we'll start out with the Lawnboy 8461. This one was last running about maybe three weeks ago when my brother and I used it on mowing down a lot of leaves from that broken tree limb that fell down after that storm. Okay, so we'll see how, get my camera on the tripod, get all situated, and we'll see how it starts. Alright, she's on. Pop choke and pull away. Gotta love your lawn, boys. Well, the two strokes, that is. Not bad. 2 pulls after sitting for a few weeks. Pretty cool. Alright. Next one here, 1996 Lawnboy 10533. It has the Briggs and Stratton engine. It's overhead valve. It's 5.5 horsepower. Alright, this one was last running just over a month ago on Cinco de Mayo when I did the review video on it, just before when my new mower got delivered. There is a little bit of gas in it though, so I guess we'll see what will happen. I don't know if it'll start or not. Let me get my tripod all situated. I'll just set it right here in front of the 10606. Alright. Oh shoot. I don't know where my wrench is. Hang on a second, guys. Oh, there it is. Alright, I found it. Alright, let's see what this one does. Alright, it's on choke, and let's give it some pulls. Oh man, I don't know if it's going to start. Yeah, there's got to be gas in it. Let me put a little bit more gas in it. Okay. Hopefully if that's the problem, maybe just not enough gas in it. Alright, take 2. coming. Oh, finally. I'll take the choke off. Oh well, good enough for me. Okay. Alright, now for the Craftsman mower. Alright, get my camera situated. Alright, just like I said, I just used this mower this morning, so it shouldn't take that many pulls. Oh, not bad, one pull after sitting for a few hours. And then finally my brand new Lawnboy 10606. And of course, as you can see, macro on. See there, 10606, serial number 311004795. The 311 means it's a 2011. It's a Kohler engine, 6.5 foot-pounds of gross torque, 149 cc's, powered by Kohler with smart choke. So this one was running last week because I used it last week on cutting the grass. And here we go. Oh yeah. Always count on this mower to start right up. So guys, hope y'all enjoyed this little video. So thanks for watching.